Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money to your loved ones in India? In this video, I will show you how to send money from the UAE to India quickly, easily, and securely using the Botim app. First, open the Botim app on your phone and tap on the Discover tab, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Next, locate and tap on the Botim Money option. This will take you to the money transfer section of the app. Now, you'll need to add your recipient, fill in all the required details such as their full name, bank name, account number, NIFSC code. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Enter the amount you wish to send in AED. The app will automatically display the equivalent amount in Indian rupees, along with the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Review all the details carefully, ensuring the recipient's information and the amount are correct. This is crucial to avoid any issues with the transfer. Choose your preferred payment method. Botim typically offers options like debit card, credit card, or even direct bank transfer. Select the one that suits you best. Once you have successfully completed the payment, you will receive a confirmation message with a transaction ID. You can also track the status of your transfer within the app. And remember, for secure transfers, always double-check recipient details and never share your personal information with unverified sources. Now you can send money to India with ease using Botim. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.